In line with preparations to implement the National Education Policy 2020 in Meghalaya, the government is conducting various workshops across the state through the G20 Janbhagidari Events on Foundation, Literacy and Numeracy under NIPUN Meghalaya. A two-day workshop on the same was inaugurated in 13th June 2023 at the Sankardev College, Shillong, where MDA-2 Spokesperson and Cabinet Minister Lyngdoh graced the occasion as the chief guest. Organized by the Internal Quality Assurance Cell IQAC and History and English departments of the college and supported by the Directorate of Elementary and School Literacy and Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya, the intention of the workshop is to mainly discuss on the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020 in the state of Meghalaya and to identify the problems and challenges while doing so. Others present at the inaugural function included the Principal of Sankardev College, Dr. Eureka F. B. Lyngdoh, principals of colleges and schools from the entire state of Meghalaya, while resource persons included scholars from across the state and other parts of the country.
Professor Pinot.
That is still the pride of Shillong. Let us rediscover and amplify on that legacy, because we have it in us to lead by example. We've educated the best of minds, not only from East India, but from even across the world. I had an encounter with students from Thailand who had come to do research on the Khasi language. These are the fields of interest that surprise policy makers like me. And today, we are in a position to, I've always said this, either rewrite history or become history. Shillong, Sora, these have been the hubs of modern education. Therefore, let us rediscover the pride, build upon it, lead from the front, and be examples of light, examples of learning, examples of excellence.